Welcome all of you. In this video we discuss the key answers for a preliminary exam IAS conducted on 4th October 2020. Ijeri IAS and KS Study Circle Vijaypur. Mobile number 99880427 63640834456. Question number 31. In India, which of the following can be considered as public investment in agriculture? First one, fixing minimum support price for agriculture produce of all crops. Second one, computerization of primary agricultural credit societies. Third one, social capital development. Fourth one, free electricity supply to farmers. Fifth one, waiver of agriculture loans by banking system. Sixth one, setting up cold storage facilities by the governments. Okay, what is the question? Select the correct answer using the code given below. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, all sequences are correct. Means in India, which of the following can be considered as public investment in culture? Agriculture. Okay, all these are investment. Next one. Question number 32. What is the importance of the term interest coverage ratio of firm in India? First one. It helps in understanding the present risk of a firm that a bank is going to give loan to. Second one. It helps in evaluating the emerging risk of a firm that a bank is going to give loan to. Third one, the higher borrowing firm's level of interest coverage ratio, those worse is its ability to service its debt. Select the correct answer using the code given below. What is the answer? 1 and 3 only. Means what is the importance of a term interest coverage ratio of a firm in India? First importance, it helps understanding the present risk of a firm that a bank is going to give loan to. Third one, the higher borrowing firm's level of interest coverage ratio, the worse is its ability to serve its debt. Next question number 33. Which of the following policies were affecting the price of rice in India in the recent past? First one, minimum support price. Second one, government trading. Third one, government stock filling. Fourth one, consumer subsidies. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means 4 are were affecting the price of rice in India that recent past. First one, minimum support price, government trading, government stockpiling, consumer subsidies. Question number 34. Consider the following statement. First one, the value of Indo-Sri Lanka trade has consistently increased in the last decade. Second one, textile articles constitute important item of trade between India and Bangladesh. In the last 5 years, Nepal has the largest trading partner of India in South Asia. What is the answer? 1 and 2 only. Means the value of Indo-Sri Lanka trade has consistently increased in the last decade. Second one, the textile and textile articles constitute an important item of trade between India and Bangladesh. Not third one. Question number 35. In which one of the following groups are all the four countries members of G20? In which one of the following groups are all the four countries members of the G20? First one, Argentina, Mexico, South Africa and Turkey. B, Australia, Canada, Malaysia, New Zealand. Third one, Brazil, Iran, Saudi Arabia and Vietnam. Fourth one, Indonesia, Japan, Singapore and South Korea. What is the correct answer? Argentina, Mexico, South Africa and Turkey. Question number 36. Under the Kisan Credit Card Scheme, short-term credit support is given to farmers for which of the following purpose? First one, working capital maintenance of farm assets harvesters. Second one, purchase of combined tractors and mini trucks requirements of farm. Third one, consumption of households post-harvest expenses. Fourth one, construction of a family house. And fifth one, setting up a village cold storage facility. What is the answer? 1, 3 and 4 only. Means second and 5 are not considered for the working capital support of short-term credit support is given to farmers. Means working capital requirements of a farm assets harvester. Third one, consumption of household post-harvest expenses. And fourth one, construction of a family house. Okay, these are short-term credit facilities are given to farmers. These are the purposes. Question number 37. Consider the following statement. The first one, the weightage of food in a consumer price index is higher than the wholesale price index. Second one, wholesale price index WPI does not capture changes in the price of services which CPI does, means consumer price index. Third one, Reserve Bank of India has now adopted weighted price index as it is key measures of inflation and to decide on change the key policy rates. What is the answer? 1 and 2. The weightage of food consumer price index is higher than that in wholesale price index. Second one, the weighted price index, wholesale price index does not capture changes in the price of services which CPI does. Question number 38. Consider the following pairs river flows into. First one, Mekong, Andaman Sea. Second one, Thames, Erie Sea. Third one, Volga, Caspian Sea. Fourth one, Ganges, Indian Ocean. Okay, which pair is correct or not? Which pairs are correct now you have to see here. Third and fourth only means Volga, Caspian Sea. Fourth one, Ganges, Indian Ocean. Question number 39. Consider the following statement. In the case of all cereals, pulses and all seeds, the procurement at minimum support price is unlimited in any state or union territories of India. Second one, in the case of cereals and pulses, the minimum support price is fixed in any state or union territories at level at which the market price will never rise. Which statement given above is or correct? Answer, no one is right. No one is correct. Question number 40. With reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. First one, commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory note. Second one, certificate of deposit is a long term of India to corporation. Third one, call money is a short term finance used for interbank transactions. Fourth one, zero coupon bonds are the interest bearing short term bonds issued by the scheduled commercial banks to the corporation. Okay, which statements given above are correct? 1 and 3. Commercial paper is a short-term unsecured promissory note. And the third one, call money is a short-term finance used for interbank transactions. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please share this video to your friend circle and give the like to this video. Type any comment, suggestion, opinion in the comment box given below this video. Question number 41. With reference to the foreign direct investment in India, which one of the following is not considered its major characteristics? First one, it is the investment through capital instrument essentially in a listed company. Second one, it is a largely non-debt creating capital flow. Third one, it is the investment which involves debt servicing. Fourth one, it is the investment made by foreign institutional investors in the government securities. What is the right answer? It is a largely non-debt creating capital flow. Question number 42. With reference to the international trade of India at present, which of the following statements are correct? First one, India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. Second one, India's imports of iron and steel, chemicals, fertilizers and machinery have decreased in recent years. Third one, India's export of services are more than its import of services. Fourth one, India suffers from an overall trade or current account deficit. What is the right answer? 1, 3 and 4 only. Means India's merchandise exports are less than its merchandise imports. Third, India's export of services are more than its imports of services. Right answer. India suffers from an overall trade or current account deficit. It is the right statement. Question number 43. The term West Texas Intermediate, sometimes found in news, refers to grade of crude oil, bullion, rare earth elements, uranium. What is the right answer? Crude oil. Question number 44. In the context of the Indian economy, non-financial debt includes which of the following? First one, housing loans owned by the households. Second one, amount outstanding on credit cards. Third one, treasury bills. Okay, which is the right code? 1, 2 and 3. All three are right. Correct. Housing loans owned by households. Second one, amounts outstanding on credit cards. Third one, treasury bills. Question number 45. In India, which are some nuclear reactors kept under IAEA safeguards while others are not? First one, some use uranium and others use thorium. Second one, Some use imported uranium and other use domestic supplies. Third one, some are operated by foreign enterprises and others are operated by the domestic enterprises. Fourth one, some are state owned and other privately owned. Right answer, some use imported uranium and others use domestic supplies. Question number 46, with reference to trade related investment measures, TRIMs, which of the following statement is correct? First one, quantitative restrictions on imports by foreign investors are prohibited. Second one, they apply to investment measures related to trade in both goods and services. Third one, they are not concerned with the regulations of foreign investment. Right answer, second only. They apply to investment measures related to trade in both goods and services. Question number 47. If the RBI decide to adopt an expansionist monetary policy, which of the following would it not do? First one, cut and optimize statutory liquidity ratio. Second one, increase the marginal standing facility rate. Third one, cut the bank rate and repo rate. What is the right answer? Second only. If the RBI decided to adopt an expansionist monetary policy, which of the following would it not do? Means increase the marginal standing facility rate. Question number 48. With reference to Indian economy after 1991, economic liberalization, consider the following statement. First one, worker productivity rupees per worker at 2004 and 2005 prices increased in urban areas while it is decreased in rural areas. Second one, the percentage share of rural areas in the workforce steadily increased. Third one, the rural areas, the growth in a non-farm economy increased. Fourth one, the growth rate in rural employment decreased. Okay, what is the means which statement given above is correct? Third and fourth. Question number 49. Consider the following statement. First one, in terms of short-term credit delivery to the agriculture sector, district central cooperative banks deliver more credit in comparison to the scheduled commercial bank and regional rural banks. Second one of the most important function of a DCCB, District Credit Cooperative Banks, is to provide funds to the primary agriculture credit societies. Which of the statement given above are correct? Two only. One of the most important function of the District Credit Cooperative Bank is to provide funds to the primary agriculture credit societies. Question number 50. In India, under the cyber insurance for individuals, which of the following benefits are generally covered in attention to payment for the loss of funds and other benefits? First one, cost of restoration of a computer system in case of malware disrupting access to one computer. Second one, cost of a new computer if some miscreant willfully damages if proved so. Third one, cost of hiring specialized consultant to minimize the loss in case of cyber extortion. Fourth one, cost of defense in the court of law if any third party files a suit. Select the correct using the course given below. What is the right answer? 1, 3 and 4. number 51. With reference to the carbon nanotubes, consider the following statement. First one, they can be used as carriers of drugs and antigens in the human body. Second one, they can be made into artificial blood capillaries for an injured part of the human body. Third one, they can be used in biochemical sensors. Fourth one, carbon nanotubes are biodegradable. Which of the statements given above are correct? Okay, what is the right answer? 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 4 statements are right. They can be used as carriers of drugs and antigens in the human body. They can be made into artificial blood capillaries for an injured part of the human body. Third one, they can be used in biochemical sensors. Fourth one, carbon nanotubes are biodegradable. Question number 52. Consider the following activities. First one, spraying the pesticides on a crop field. Second one, inspecting the craters of active volcanoes. Third one, collecting breath samples for counting wells of DNA analysis at the present level of technology. Okay, which of the above activities can be successfully carried out by using drones? What is the right answer? 1, 2, 3 means all the 3 statements are right. Question number 53. The experiment will imply a trio spacecraft flying in formation in the shape of an equilateral triangle that has sides 1 million kilometers long, with lasers shining between the craft. The experiment in question refers to Voyager 2, New Horizons, LISA, Pathfinder, Ewald, LISA. Okay, what is the right answer? Ewald, LISA. Question number 54. Consider the following statements. First one, genetic changes can be introduced in the cells that produce eggs or sperms of a prospective parent. Second one, a person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. Third one, human-induced pluripotent stem cells can be injected to the embryo of a pig. Okay, what is the right answer? 1, 2 and 3. Question number 55. What is the importance of using pneumococcal conjugate vaccine in India? The first one, these vaccines are effective against pneumonia as well as meningitis and sepsis. Second one, dependence on the antibiotics that are not effective against drug resistant bacteria can be reduced. Third one, these vaccines have no side effect and cause no allergic reactions. What is the answer? 1 and 2 only. Question number 56. In India, the term public key infrastructure is used in the context of first one, digital security infrastructure. Second one, food security infrastructure. Third one, health care and education infrastructure. Fourth one, telecommunication and transportation infrastructure. What is the right answer? Digital security infrastructure. This term is used, means public key infrastructure is used in the context of digital security infrastructure. Question number 57. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the general difference between plant and animal cells? First one, plant cells have shallow cells walls whilst animal cells don't. Plant cells don't have plasma membrane unlike animal cells which do. Third one, mature plant cells has one large vacuole opalus. Answer 1 and 3 only. Which of the following are the reasons or factors for exposure to benzo pollution? First one, automobile exhaust. Second one, tobacco smoke. Third one, wood burning. Fourth one, using varnished wooden furniture. Using products made of polyurethane. Okay, what is the reason? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, all these are reasons to exposure of benzene pollution. Question number 59. If another global financial crisis happens in the near future, which of the following actions policies are most likely to give some immunity to India? First one, no depending on short-term foreign borrowings. Second one, opening up to more foreign banks. Third one, maintaining full capital account convertibility. What is the right answer? 1 only. Not depending on short-term foreign borrowings. Question number 60. If you withdraw rupees 1 lakh in cash from your demand deposit account at your bank, the immediate effect on aggregate money supply in the economy will be, what is the right answer? To increase it by more than 1 lakh. When you withdraw the amount rupees 1 lakh from your demand deposit account, automatically it capsules, it improves the economic wealth of country. Means to increase it by more than rupees 1 lakh. Question number 61. With reference to the cultural history of India, which one of the following is correct description of the Paramitas? First one, the earliest Dharma Shastra text written in acrostic sutra style. Second one, philosophical schools that did not accept the authority of Veda. Third one, perfections whose attainment led to the Bodhisattva Patha. Fourth one, powerful merchant clades of early medieval South India. What is the right answer? Perfection whose attainment led to the Bodhisattva Patha. Question number 62. In the context of Indian history, the Lakshmibai case of 1884 revolved around, first one, women's right to gain education. Second one, age of consent. Third one, resituation of conjugal rights. What is the right answer? 2 and 3. Question number 63. Indigo cultivation in India declined by the beginning of 20th century because of, first one, peasant resistance to the oppressive conduct of planters. Second one, it is unprofitability in the world market because of new innovations. Third one, national leaders' opposition to the cultivation of indigo. Fourth one, government control over the planters. What is the right answer? It is unprofitability in the world market because of new innovations. Question number 64. Wellesley established the Fort William College at Kolkata because he was asked by the board of directors at London to do so. Second one, he wanted to revive interest in Oriental learning in India. Third one, he wanted to provide William Carey and his associates with employment. Fourth one, he wanted to train British civilians for administrative purposes in India. What is the right answer? He wanted to train British civilians for administrative purpose in India. Question number 65. With reference to the history of India, Ulgan, the Great Tumult is the description of which of the following events? The revolt of 1857. Second one, Mapila rebellion of 1921. Third one, Indigo revolt of 1859 to 60. Fourth one, Birsa Munda revolution of 1899 to 1900. Okay, what is the right answer? The Birsa Munda revolt of 1899 to 1900. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch remaining key answers in the next video.